How to reset Temu password. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Temu app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can get it from Play Store or App Store. Now, if you want to reset your Temu password, you want to tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, you are going to find the Sign In/Register option. Tap on that. Now here you have the option to continue with Google or continue with your Facebook account. However, if you want to reset your password, you will have to enter your email or phone number in this box. Once you have added your email, you have the option to add your password as well. However, if you have forgotten your password or you just want to reset it, you want to tap on the option of Forgot Password. Now confirm your email address so that Temu can send a 6-digit password reset code. Tap on the submit option once you have confirmed. Now you will have to check your mailbox. You will be receiving an email something like this. Now you will have to copy the 6-digit code. Then head back to the Temu application and then simply paste the code that you have copied. Now you have the option to create a new password. If the password quality is good, you can proceed. Tap on the submit button for that. And as you can see, your Temu password has been successfully reset. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.